this. Oh. Are you gonna go to any of the games? I thought you were in Spain or something. I never said I live in Spain. When did you hear that? I never lie where I live. I never been in Spain, first of all. Oh, my baby, my baby. Are you sleepy? Yeah, you sleepy? Oh, I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. Oh. Look, you need a haircut. Look at you. You're like a homeless man. You're like a homeless man. You miss me? Yeah, you need a haircut for sure. Do you miss me? Oh, my baby miss me. You miss me. I was busy last night. I just guess because you're like Spanish guys. Well, that's kind of makes sense, not make sense theory, but I appreciate it. It's like when a white guy says I like Asian girls, doesn't mean these guys live in Asia, right? They can be in Europe or in America. Yeah, I do like Spanish. I was driving right today on the way to my lunch place. Why are you so distant? You need like a personal space right now? Come on. Come here. And then I passed a guy 2.5 years ago. For him it's a date. For me it's not a date. It's just like a casual dinner, and I'm the one who pay for my dinner because, I'm the one who's like, yeah, you know what? Yeah, let's get food. I'm hungry. I just say like that. And I didn't even dress nicely, like just like a hoodie or something. So it's unfortunate for him to say it's a fucking date. Anyway, yeah, I saw him on the bike, shirtless, a lot of tattoos. This is the guy that says he's Latino, but he's more like a Indian people of America, not India. And he has long hair like an Aquaman, which is not my type too. Like, fuck, man. Like, yeah. Thank God he didn't saw me, but I saw him. He's like checking Google Maps, I guess. He got lost. Ugh. I remember last time he's using super ugly shitty bike, but now he upgrading, kind of almost same level on my bike. So it's good upgrade. And speak Spanish, so I guess you live there for a while or something. Oh damn. Man, if I live in Spain right now, it's morning time. Supposed to be in there. And it's almost 3 p.m. for me. So how is that? I'm in Spain. Are you lost? No, I'm in Spain. Yeah. Oh my god, I cannot wait what's gonna happen for the next 2 weeks. My birthday, I think I already organized it 50% for my mom's ticket and for the place to stay, maybe like 4 days. Like, we're gonna rent a villa, maybe 3 bedrooms with kitchen, because I need my mom to cook. We're gonna cook, and after that, I'm gonna take my mom to a nice dining restaurant, beach view. It's like a resort, like expensive, of course, but it's worth it. I don't think my dad will come. I tried to convince him to come, but then he always have like